upload a hierarchy to T-Analyst. To import a hierarchy to T-Analyst from the home page, select the Setup tab. From the Setup page, select Manage Hierarchies. At the top of the page, you will see the options to import and export hierarchy. Select Import Hierarchy. Give your new hierarchy a name, and then select a CSV file to import. Select the hierarchy that you would like to import. Once you have selected Import, the file will be validated. Select OK to continue processing the hierarchy. Progress of the file import will be displayed near the top of the page. Once the load has completed, you'll be able to see if it has imported successfully or if it has failed. Selecting the import log will take you to the change log page, which will display any errors or warnings. You'll see in the issue column a brief description for each error message or warning to help you identify where the error is in your CSV file. The line column gives you further information about where the error is. The file will always upload as a private file. To change it to public, check the hierarchy is selected, then select Edit. To set up a hierarchy as the master, it must be public. Once you've made the changes, select Save. Hierarchy is ready to use.